Hi, Dressed Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a mouse from Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this super cute mouse, let's first start by drawing the Squishmallow shape. So I'm going to start right here because it's just easier for my hands. And I'm going to go up with a curve. And so this is kind of like my usual dumpling shape, but just a little bit longer, taller. So I'm just going to come up here and just round off a curve. And the top part is always a little bit narrower than the bottom. So I'm just going to go ahead, just draw this big curve. Now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead and bring it down. And as always with these Squishmallows, it's all up to you how squished you want your Squishmallow. So you can make it taller or shorter. So I really hope this inspires you. So now that about there, I'm going to go ahead and bring it in. I tend to like to make mine a little bit shorter, so it's just a little bit cuter and rounder. And so about right here, I'm going to go ahead and bring it in. Just a bit flatter towards the bottom. And connect. There, so just nice, big, ovalish shape here. Okay, so now that I have that in, I'm going to kind of find my center where I need to put the little nose for our mouse. So I'm going to say the center about right here, and I'm just going to kind of pinpoint this area for a nose. So I'm going to start, and right about here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a soft curve, and then I'm going to round it off and bring it towards the center. There, so kind of this ovalish shape, a little bit sharper towards the bottom. Then from there, I'm going to go straight down the line and then curve up on both sides and cap it off. Curve up and cap it off. And then we need to draw a little tooth right here. There. And then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the eyes. So let's come to the sides of the nose, and let's just say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a circle. And same thing on the other side. So about the same amount of space, and right here. Another circle. From there, let's make these circles draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now I have that. I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then from there, I'm going to come to the sides of the eye. So say about right here, I'm just going to draw two little whiskers right on the sides. And same thing about right here, just like the other side. And here. There. Now let's make it look like a mouse with some ears. So I'm going to say about right here, kind of where it comes down. And I'm going to go ahead and just pop in these cute round mouse ears. And bring it in. And maybe we could come right here and just draw the curve and just taper it off. Or let's just go all the way around. Why not? There. Okay, so same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag a point across since I'm drawing pretty big. Makes it a little bit easier for me to see where I'm going. And once again, same thing. Nice round ears. And bring it in. And once again, we're going to draw the inside. So see we're right here, just a little bit thicker, and then we're just going to go all the way around. There, so hopefully that looks a little bit more like a mouse now. And then from there we need to separate the colors. So I'm just going to say about right here, and I'll drag this across so I know where I'm going on the other side. But right there, and I'm just going to draw this wave. So I'm going to come down. Oops. As it comes down to the center, we're going to dip in and then go right back up, just like the other side. Back to my point. There, so now when we color it, we can separate the top from the bottom. Fix my curve a little bit there. And then, of course, let's add a tail. So I'm gonna maybe put it about right here. Just gonna draw a curve. And bring it down. And so just go ahead and thicken it up. There, and connect. And let's see, but last but not least, I'm going to add a little heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute mouse from Squishmallows. I really hope you loved how this turned out. That helped you draw this fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.